Hi, in front of me is OPPO A79 and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down. Now, before getting to app lock settings, tap on Password and Security and make sure that you have your privacy password on. If you don't, you need to set it up. When you're ready, go into Privacy section below Password and Security. Click on Privacy at the top right corner and select App Lock. Now enter your privacy password and hit this gray sweater next to App Lock feature to activate it. Now you can tap on gray sweaters next to your apps that you wish to lock. When you finished, just go back. So when I try to access one of those apps, I can see that privacy password is now required. In order to disable app lock from any app, go into the same settings, enter your privacy password and tap on No Blue Sweaters next to your apps. Lastly, to disable app lock completely, tap on Blue Sweater next to App Lock feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!